Hi, this is Career Guru Debojit Bhuya. Very few people are aware that Srimad Bhagavad Gita has dealt in length regarding choosing of career. Especially the new age children, they are not at all aware of this fact. Today I am going to tell you about relevance of the Bhagavad Gita to your choice of career. The Bhagavad Gita is one of the most motivating and enlightening scriptures ever written in the history of mankind. Its teachings are relevant not only during a period of spiritual crisis but in day to day matters like selecting a proper career and going in the right direction. Some relevant verses from the Gita are reproduced for your reference and information. Number one, no man can ever remain silent even for a moment without performing any action. The impulses of nature deprive him of freedom in this respect and compel him to act. If your nature if your necessary impulses and career choice are compatible with your goals, you would perform even better. Number two, one's own dharma, duty, even though not glamorous, is better than duty alien to one's growth, paradharma, however well performed. For even death in doing one's duty leads to one's good, while a duty alien to one's growth is burdened with the fear of downfall. If your natural impulses are tuned with your vocation, you will always have the fear of failure. Number three, he who sees work in no work and no work in work is wise among men. This is possible only if you enjoy your work. Number four, duties that your natural tendencies have imposed upon you, but which out of delusion you refuse to do, even then you will have to perform them by compulsion of nature. This is why many people have to change their vocation or career midway, realizing that this is not my cup of tea. A practical way of applying the Gita's teachings today is to consider the duty, that is vocation or career, to which one is called as swadharma, work according to one's nature. But it may not be possible for everyone to get work for which he or she is best suited. A realistic approach would be to choose a career that is closest to one's nature from amongst the options available. Unfortunately, most people today seek a career that will bring them maximum money. When a task is valued solely for the income it fetches, it ceases to be pursuit of dharma. While seeking proper remuneration is inevitable in the modern world, there has to be balanced approach in this regard. Youngster would therefore do well to take note of the teachings of the Gita while deciding their career. Thank you.